XMCOSY string lights, which, by the way, these things are super solid, which I think is a good indication of quality. Before I open them up, a couple quick things you would want to know. They are Bluetooth accessible using the XMCOSY app, so you'll be able to control them remotely. Our goal today is to set them up looking really nice in the gazebo over there. I think we could get the whole thing covered with this one kit and check them out tonight, see how they look. These things are solid. I mean, this is really nice quality stuff. The wire is like a nice rubberized, you could tell this is gonna last a real long time. Look at these connectors. These are like these aren't like junky little connectors. These are really nice. And oh, you can't hear it, but this is so solid. And just so you can see, there's the LED. This is a rubber sealed. You could even seal, it's got an O-ring. They're weather sealed. These are gonna last a good long time and they are gonna be absolutely safe for outdoor operation. So what do you say we go set these up, hook up the app, see what they look like, and I'll tell you what my experience is. Let's go do that now. All right, here we go. They made me sign up for their goofy app, which, as I said, I really don't like that. Should be able to use it in a guest mode. And this is proof that I give you real reviews. They did provide these to me. So far, they're amazing. I just hate being forced to sign up for the app. So let's see if it can find these new devices. Oh, I think I got it. They turned white. Okay, so I changed the temperature there. You know what? I'll wait till it's dark to show you this because they seem to be working really nicely. All right, I'll come back when it's dark out. All right, it is dark out. Welcome to my well-lit awning. Look how bright and white this is. This is a little too industrial for me. Let's go with something more warm and intimate. How nice does that look? And this app, ooh, let me show you. So this is what the app looks like, where you can control each independently. You can adjust the brightness, whatever. But I think it's time to bring on the party, right? So we can do something like, we could do something reasonable like Christmas Eve. Yes, that is reasonable if I ever saw reasonable. Christmas Eve light style, where we could do like a city light, a city landscape. Oh, I actually like this one a lot. This one's really very cool. It's really cool the way you can control these things. They also have options to have it controlled by music. You could do that. Or let's see, there's like lifestyle, like let's try party. Oh, party is definitely going on out here right now. And finally, you could also go festival. There are a couple different festivals, but let's go with the mood lighting. Let's try Love and Dream. So welcome to the Love and Dream date feeling. I'm not feeling this as Love and Dream so much, so let's go with, you got the point. These things, absolutely awesome. Certainly very high quality. The app, as much as I really did dislike the fact that they make you register for the app, it works phenomenally well. This is super duper cool. So much fun and good looking at the same time and durable. There's absolutely no way this isn't a winner. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.